We have worked in putting together programs at a speed, obviously, that we have not seen, I think, in the history of the institute. The region is being affected through several channels. First, the domestic channels, given the impact that the lockdowns and social distancing is having on the economies through the closing of significant parts of the economy to minimize the spread of the virus. On the other hand, the region is being affected by the spillovers from the rest of the world. Decline in trade, declines in tourism, remittances, and shocks through capital flows. This is having the effect of making the region go through the worst recession on record. Focusing specifically on Latin America, our board has approved 20 programs in the last 2 months. For those countries that didn't have a program with the IMF, basically we work through our emergency financing mechanisms. We have done 15 of these emergency financing operations for a total of $5 billion. For the countries that already have an IMF program that is active, basically we work within the space of the existing program. So we basically made it bigger and we put more money up front to help the countries finance their spending for COVID. And then for countries that have strong fundamentals, we basically work through our precautionary contingent lines of credit. So in total, we have given additional financing to the region by around $40 billion, and the board has approved more than $50 billion in new financing. Countries have made a commitment to publishing all the contracts associated with COVID-19 expenditures. Second, several countries have also made commitments to audit all of their COVID-19 expenditure. And third, it's a more institution building part that countries have committed to continue to strengthen their practices in terms of government procurement and in terms of strengthening the institutions in their countries that are associated with transparency and associated with accountability in how public resources are spent.